What if I told you that America's most advanced underwater weapon was just spotted lurking near Chinese waters? Hidden beneath the waves is a revolutionary autonomous submarine that represents the pinnacle of military technology. A classified project so secretive that the government has tried desperately to keep it out of public view, but thanks to some eagle-eyed Google Maps users, the cat is officially out of the bag. This isn't your typical submarine. We're talking about a biomimetic underwater drone that moves like a graceful manta ray, capable of operating independently for months without human intervention. The project, known simply as Manta Ray, could completely transform how naval warfare is conducted beneath the surface of our oceans. Today, we're diving deep into this extraordinary piece of naval engineering, exploring how it works, why it's so important, and what it means for the future of underwater operations. We'll also examine other cutting-edge autonomous vehicles that are reshaping modern warfare as we know it. The story begins in 2020 when DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, launched an ambitious program to revolutionize underwater vehicle design. Their goal was simple yet challenging: create an autonomous underwater vehicle that could operate for extended periods without human support while carrying substantial payloads for various mission types. Engineers from Northrop Grumman stepped up to the challenge, securing a massive $41.2 million contract in 2021 to develop and test this groundbreaking prototype. The project's codename Manta Ray pays homage to the filter-feeding fish that inspired its design, creatures known for their diamond-shaped bodies, wing-like fins, and remarkably efficient movement through water. The biomimetic approach wasn't chosen randomly. Manta rays are masters of underwater efficiency, capable of gliding effortlessly through ocean currents while conserving energy. This natural design has been perfected over millions of years of evolution, making it the ideal blueprint for a long-endurance autonomous vehicle. What makes the Manta Ray truly exceptional is its innovative approach to underwater operations. Unlike traditional submarines that rely on constant propulsion, this autonomous giant utilizes efficient, buoyancy-driven gliding to move through the water. This technique allows it to cover vast distances while consuming minimal energy. The drone's energy conservation capabilities are particularly impressive. When not actively engaged in missions, the Manta Ray can anchor itself to the seabed and enter a hibernation-like, low-power mode. This feature enables it to remain operational for months without requiring maintenance or refueling, a game-changing capability for long-range surveillance missions. Recent footage has revealed fascinating details about the vehicle's propulsion system. Initial computer-generated concepts suggested a 4-propeller design, but the actual prototype features 2 rear-mount propellers with 4 blades each. This configuration provides optimal thrust while maintaining the vehicle's stealth characteristics. The Manta Ray has been engineered with multiple payload bays of various sizes and configurations, enabling it to adapt to a wide variety of naval mission sets. Whether it's surveillance equipment, sensors, or other specialized gear, this flexibility makes it incredibly versatile for different operational requirements. Military analysts speculate that the U.S. Navy's primary interest in the Manta Ray lies in its potential for anti-submarine warfare. With growing concerns about Russian and Chinese submarine activities in contested waters, having an autonomous platform capable of long-duration patrols could prove invaluable for maritime security. The vehicle's ability to dive to significant depths gives it access to areas that are challenging or impossible for human divers to reach. This capability opens up entirely new possibilities for underwater reconnaissance and intelligence gathering in hostile or remote environments. Transportation and deployment have been key considerations in the Manta Ray's design. The entire system can be rapidly assembled in the field from modular subsections, allowing for quick deployment anywhere in the world. This modular approach was successfully demonstrated during testing off the coast of Southern California in early 2024. The prototype journey from construction to testing tells an interesting story. Built in Maryland, the drone was carefully transported cross-country to its California test site, where it underwent extensive trials that validated its readiness for real-world operations. The United States isn't alone in recognizing the potential of manta ray-inspired underwater drones. In September 2021, Chinese researchers unveiled their own version of this technology with a specific focus on gathering intelligence around the contested Paracel Islands in the South China Sea. China has reportedly developed 6 different variants of what they describe as soft-bodied submersibles that mimic manta ray characteristics. These vehicles have already entered what Chinese sources call practical deployment in strategically important waters, equipped with cameras, sonar systems, and Beidou satellite navigation capabilities. This international competition highlights the strategic importance of autonomous underwater vehicles in modern naval operations. As maritime tensions continue to escalate in various regions, these platforms could play crucial roles in maintaining situational awareness and deterring potential threats. The Manta Ray represents just the latest achievement in Northrop Grumman's long history of autonomous vehicle development. The company has been pioneering unmanned systems technology for decades, creating platforms that have fundamentally changed how military operations are conducted. Their AQS-24B mine hunting system demonstrates the practical applications of autonomous underwater technology. This sophisticated system uses advanced side-scan sonar for real-time detection and classification of underwater mines, combined with laser ERV scanners for precise identification. The data can be transmitted to remote operators for immediate mission analysis. The revolutionary X-47B made history in 2013 as the first unmanned aircraft to successfully launch from an aircraft carrier, the USS George H.W. Bush. This demonstrator proved that autonomous systems could handle the most challenging aspects of naval aviation, including carrier takeoffs, landings, in-flight refueling, and complex mission planning. Perhaps even more impressive is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, whose development began in the 1990s. This high-altitude surveillance aircraft can remain airborne for over 34 hours, providing continuous intelligence coverage across vast geographic areas with a range of approximately 12,300 nautical miles. It's capable of intercontinental flights without refueling. The Fire Scout rotary wing platform further demonstrates Northrop Grumman's versatility in autonomous systems. Designed for completely autonomous operations, it can conduct takeoffs, landings, and navigation without human intervention while providing persistent surveillance and real-time intelligence gathering capabilities. The Manta Ray's cutting-edge navigation systems enable it to autonomously navigate complex underwater terrains that would challenge even experienced human operators. Its real-time data transmission capabilities allow researchers and military personnel to monitor discoveries and mission progress as they happen. This technology represents a significant step forward in reducing operational risks and expenses. By eliminating the need for manned submersibles in dangerous situations, the Manta Ray can operate in environments that would be too hazardous for human crews while providing the same level of intelligence gathering capability. Future developments may include enhanced artificial intelligence systems that could enable even more sophisticated autonomous decision-making during complex underwater missions. As machine learning algorithms continue to advance, these platforms could become increasingly capable of adapting to unexpected situations without human guidance. Despite extensive efforts to maintain operational security, the Manta Ray's existence was revealed through an unexpected source: civilian satellite imagery. Google Maps users exploring the coastline around Naval Base San Diego discovered satellite images showing the distinctive vehicle docked at Port Hueneme Naval Base in California. The images quickly went viral on social media before reportedly being removed and replaced with what users believed were digitally edited boats. However, the damage was already done, and the public had gotten its first glimpse of this classified technology. This incident highlights the challenges of maintaining secrecy in an age of ubiquitous satellite coverage and social media connectivity. Even the most classified military projects can find themselves exposed through civilian observation and digital sharing platforms. The Manta Ray underwater drone represents far more than just another military technology. It's a glimpse into the future of autonomous warfare and ocean exploration. As we've seen today, this remarkable vehicle combines cutting-edge engineering with millions of years of evolutionary design, creating a platform that could fundamentally change how we approach underwater operations. The implications extend far beyond military applications. This technology could revolutionize marine research, environmental monitoring, and deep-sea exploration. Imagine autonomous vehicles mapping unexplored ocean trenches, monitoring climate change effects, or discovering new species in the deepest parts of our oceans. But this development also raises important questions about the future of warfare and international security. As more nations develop similar capabilities, how will this technology reshape naval strategies? Will we see underwater drone swarms patrolling contested waters? And what happens when artificial intelligence becomes sophisticated enough to make critical decisions without human oversight? What's your take on the Manta Ray project? Do you think autonomous underwater vehicles represent the future of naval operations, or do they raise too many concerns about escalating military automation? Have you spotted any interesting military technology on satellite maps yourself? And with China already deploying their own versions, do you believe we're entering a new era of underwater competition between world powers? If you found today's deep dive into America's secret submarine technology as fascinating as we did, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button. It really helps us reach more viewers who share our passion for naval technology. And don't forget to subscribe to Navy Nerds and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos covering the most advanced military technology from around the world. We've got more incredible stories about cutting-edge naval innovations coming your way, and trust us, you won't want to miss what we've discovered next.